Hi, good morning. Showing to you how to seal a torn or punched tire. As you can see, it has a nail in it. I pulled it already. So first thing to do is to find your tools that are needed. This is a clip where it can clip this rubberized leather. Sticky, and you buy it from the shop Tyre Remedies. First, second, you have to have this pliers in order to remove the whatever caused the bore. See, it's already air is already leaking. Try to avoid getting the leak, so you can fix it even without letting the air go. So once you remove it, wet it a little bit. Saliva will do. Remove the nail. Use a puncher to make it bigger. Punch. There you go. There you go. Turn it. It's not easy. Until it's bored through and through. There you go. I could hear. We should be really wearing gloves. Gloves are very important in this work. Home remedy or remedies along the way. See, it's more effective if you have gloves. Basically, you're heating the rubber. You're also heating the nylon. There you go. It's already through and through. So you just have to remove back. It takes time, really. But this one here is at least you have an option of solving the problem. It's when you are in the bush, when you are in the side of the road, and especially if it is very busy road, it will be dangerous staying there for long. So your remedy is to solve that problem quick. There you go. There you go. The leaking of the air stopped. Keep turning it until the leather goes inside. It's not easy. It will take time. Some remedy with this is to put oil. In this case, I didn't. You can put it on your legs like this. I'll turn it. There you go. You can see the length has become shorter already, which means to say that it has gone through already, just that this one is still protruding. So it's best if this one will go inside. Let's try it. Okay. There you see, it's gone already. Little bit more. There you go. It's gone already. And here, all you have to do is to pull this back, and it's the problem solved. While inside, this rubber and leather combination of resin will expand due to heat, and it will seal. So while using it, you don't have issues that it will come off. There you go, see? All problem solved. Now we just have to cut this one here. You can use this one to cut it. There you go, all done. Now you have a new tire.